Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to run the video test on this TV. For this, go to settings, tap on all settings. Then at the bottom you can see the option support. Tap on this one. Tap on device care. Tap on self diagnosis. Then here you can see the option video test. Tap on this one. The test video will now be shown. Look at the screen carefully for next few seconds. Tap on OK. The 4K video is playing here. Now tap on OK button. Yeah, after the video you can see one option. Does the test video look normal? You can enter the details here. So here I am going to go for with yes. Then you can see if the self-diagnosis video test is okay. Check your external device and connections. If the problem persists, refer to the user manual for your external devices. Tap on OK. So simply in this way we can do the video test on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.